Hi there, Lori Milliken from Common Curriculum here. My job today is to show you how easy it is to tag standards in your daily lesson plans in Common Curriculum. So let's get to it. All right. You are looking at a week's lessons on book clubs. I was a literacy teacher for ages, so you're going to see a lot of that. But I'm going to hit this search and add standards button here. It's going to pull up. If I back up for a minute, you're going to be able to see state, organization, and school and district. These are all different categories of standards. I'm going to hit state, and I'm going to use Maryland as an example. So I'm going to scroll down to Maryland and click that. All the content areas will come up. I'm going to go to English Language Arts, and now I'm going to go to grade 4 because I spent a lot of time in grade 4. Okay, here we are. So all of the grade 4 standards for Maryland have come up. I'm going to use a keyword search here, but you can also use a code, and you can also cut and paste if you have scripted curriculum. You can take a chunk of what it already says and just copy it in there, and it will pull up the correct standards. So I'm going to put in character, say that all of these standards are ones that have to do with character. I'm going to click on the little plus button next to the standards I would like, and I'm going to simply hit close and return to lessons, and there they are. It's that easy. Just as an added bonus, as a former special educator, I love our side-by-side here. You can pull up multiple sets at the same time, whether that's grade level or content area. But if I go ahead and just do the same thing, come down to Maryland, but this time I'm going to hit grade 3 because, for being honest, when do we ever teach one group of students that are all exactly in the same place? And that for me was never. And then I could do the same thing and pull up the set of standards for 4th and for 3rd. And I love it because I can already start to wrap my mind around differentiation and what everybody needs to know. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll tag a couple more and hit close and return to lessons, and there are my standards. So that is it in a nutshell. It's that simple. It makes standard-based instruction or standard-based grading very, very easy. And we also put all new or missing standards in for free. So you just have to fill out an electronic form and we will get them in there for you. Hope that helps. Take care and have a great day.